Looking for the best Braun blenders? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Braun blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Braun MQ537 Multiquick Hand Blender. Pros: powerful 350 watts motor. Features a super ergonomic design with a textured handle. One-click attachments are easy to swap out. Everything is compact and easy to store. Cleanup is a breeze. Users also love that the blender is lightweight. Cons: some users found the whisk attachment a bit flimsy. Bottom line: this affordable pick produces great results with its variety of attachments. At number 2. Braun MQ505 Multiquick Hand Blender. Pros: less expensive immersion blender. Has 2 speeds. Features the same high-quality design and construction. The blender comes with various attachments that are easy to assemble and remove with a simple click. Splatter protection design keeps messes at bay. Cons: some users felt the buttons were a bit hard to press comfortably. Bottom line: a more affordable blender option powered by a 350 watts motor. At number 1. Braun MQ725 Multiquick Hand Blender. Pros: comes with a variety of convenient attachments including a whisk and chopper container. Smart speed technology allows for speed to be controlled via pressure on the device's power button. Blender has a grippy ergonomic handle and a safety lock. Blends foods well. Cons: containers included are made of plastic that some users found flimsy. Bottom line: a high-end immersion blender with a 400 watts motor, perfect for all your kitchen tasks. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.